Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about hand control gestures using Python and OpenCV. Now think about it. We have all secretly wanted to control things like Iron Man. He waves his hand and boom, suit activates, missile launches and world saved. Well, we can't quite save the world with OpenCV, but we can control our computers with just our hands. That's already cooler than using a boring mouse. So what is hand gesture control? Simple. Instead of clicking buttons, you use your hand in front of the camera and the system recognizes your gestures. Wave left, screen goes left. Show first, show fist, maybe it pauses. Music, show 5 fingers, volume up. Basically, your hand becomes the remote control. No batteries required. How does it work? Let's break it down. Number 1. A camera captures your hand in real time. Yes, it does. Number 2. OpenCV processes the image to find your hand shape. It detects landmarks like fingertips, knuckles and the wrist. And coming down to number 4, it is based on finger positions. It maps gestures to actions. Quite clear till now, right? For example, if only your index finger is up, it could mean move cursor. If 2 fingers are up, maybe it means right click. If all 5 fingers are up, it's either volume control or you just saying hello to confuse the system. Let's test this. Pretend you are the computer. I show 1 finger, what do? Follow the cursor. I show 2 fingers, you right click. I show 0 fingers, that's me saying shut down, go to sleep. See, you just became gesture recognition software for a few seconds. Now, why is this cool? Imagine giving a presentation without ever touching the laptop. You wave your hand, next slide, another wave, previous slide. Your students think you are a magician, but really, it's just OpenCV doing the hand hard work. Or imagine controlling YouTube. No remote, no keyboard, just next video with a swipe. Of course, it's not perfect. If lighting is bad or your background is messy, the system can get confused. One moment you are turning the volume up, the next moment your camera thinks your palm is a pizza and stops everything. That's why calibration and clean backgrounds help. But still, gesture control is super fun, futuristic and practical. It makes you feel like a superhero while coding in Python. So next time someone says coding is boring, just wave your hands to change slide and watch rather than their jaw drop. That's hand control gesture with OpenCV Python. Simple, interactive and a great way to make your projects look 10 times cooler. Yes.